Happy New Year, everyone. Happy 2024. I am glad you choose to spend the first part of the year with me. In today's look, I am going to do Ace Beauty Palette Poly. Sis, this one is for you. I know you just received this palette, so now I'm going to create looks with this palette, as many looks as I can create, so you can see how to use this palette if you have it. Now, our I am for today is I am talented. I am talented. I am going to start with this color right here. I'm going to take them, put all over the top part of my eyes. It's a skin color. They all have names. I am talented. I am talented. You have talents that you know of. Use it. It might not be for YouTube. It might be at the office. You know something. You're talented in something. And the office needs that. Instead of letting them hire somebody else, use your talents. You have talents that nobody else has. Use that talent. If you're new here, I have very, very hooded eyes. I'm going to go into this color right here. That's my second color. That's going to go in the crease. If you're new to my channel, I don't have small eyes. I have small lids, but very, very hooded eyes. I'm using a big brush, but you can use a small brush. I'm only using this big old brush because my transition color is very light. So I can go with a big brush and it won't show much. These colors are very pigmented and they have fallouts, but that don't bother me. I have very, very hooded eyes, like I said, and there I have to create a fake crease because this is my real crease and I have to go right here in order for me to see what I am wearing on my eyes. This color is very, very pretty. It's like a brown, it's a warm brown. It has red in it. This is what the second color looks like. You notice you can't see the transition color, so I'll go right here again and I'll go like right over it at the edge of the darker color and just blend it a little. There are all types of hooded eyes. Some hooded eyes are very, regular, and then there's some like mine that has a lot of extra flesh. But don't be afraid to do your eyeshadows. The third color I'm going into is, I need something cute, and I'm going to go into this purple. Purple is one of my favorite colors, so let us start the new year with purple. I'm going to use my finger. If you're new here, I like to use my fingers to do my makeup. I'm going right here in the middle of my lids and a little in my real crease. And this is a topper. To me, it looks like a topper. It's not very pigmented, it's light. So I'm taking it and putting it right here. I'm taking my brush. I'm going back into that purple. And I have a little bit of spray right here, so I'm just going to dab it into a little bit of spray so I don't have a lot of fallout. And I'm going to go right here into the inner corner. Remember, always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. You have talents. Use your I am. I am talented. I am talented. And use your talents for whatever purpose that it's given to you. If it's to pray, if it's to do yoga, if it's to do meditation, even though if you have a talent to be a janitor, a talent to be an accountant, a talent to be a bookkeeper, a talent to be a singer, a talent to be a makeup artist, a talent to sing in a church choir, a talent to help young people who are struggling with different stuff in life. Whatever your talents are, find it and use it. You are talented. I am talented. And if for any reason you need help, please seek help. Don't harm yourself or another. You have to reach out. It might be hard for you to do that, but please take courage and remember, you are loved and your family members love you. Your friends love you. So please don't harm yourself. Seek help and remember, you are first. In order to help others, you have to help yourself. This is today's look. Let your talent shine in 2024. Happy New Year to all who are my current viewers and subscribers, and to all the new ones that will be entering into 2024. I welcome you all. You are talented. Your I am for today is I am talented. You are talented. I am talented. They are all different types of talents. Use them in 2024 and waste no time. Remember, you are talented. I am for today is I am talented. You are talented. Use all your talents in 2024. Don't wait for another day, another year, another minute, another hour. You are talented. Use it in whatever way you choose to. One thing I can say about this palette so far, this color right here is very messy. Nice, matte, creamy, but it has a lot of fallout. So do your eyes first and your base last. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.